How to remove background noise from audio recordings for free. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to remove background noise from audio recordings for free. If you've recorded some audio, but it has too much background noise, don't worry, you can clean it up for free using your PC. Then go to your files and open the Downloads folder to find the audio you want to fix. Double-click on it and play it once to check the noise level before editing.
What's good, people? I'm here in Times Square, New York. We're gonna try the voice cleaner and see how quiet we can get.
Now, open Google and search for Adobe Podcast. After that, click on the first link that appears. Here, you'll see an option called Enhance Speech. Click on it. Then, press the Choose Files button. Next, select your audio file from the folder and click on Open. After that, Adobe Podcast will automatically start processing your file and removing the background noise. Once it's done, you can play the enhanced version to check the improvement.
What's good, people? I'm here in Times Square, New York. We're gonna try the voice cleaner and see how.
Finally, just click on Download to save the cleaned audio to your computer. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.